family, my name is Elysia English and this is a really exciting video because we're giving away a Silhouette mint. We have been working this week like crazy behind the scenes on a whole bunch of content we have coming up this month and next month on our channel. We wanted to do this video to show you what this mint machine can do so you know how to enter our giveaway and what you could win. At the end of this video, I'll give you all the details on how you enter to win this machine. This is the Silhouette Mint, and when you get your box, it comes included with a whole bunch of items you need to make your own custom stamps. Being able to brand my items is super important with my handmade business. I also love to customize things around my home. This machine lets me do both. When you open your mint box, it will come with a bunch of items. I'm gonna show you what all those are. Your mint machine, your application software. You can also download this online so that if your computer doesn't have a CD drive, you can just download it instantly. A power supply cord, and a USB to connect your mint to your computer. You also get 2 sizes of cartridges that will go through your machine to create a custom stamp. The stamp bases, 4 colors of ink, red, yellow, blue, and black, and a 1-month free membership for the Silhouette Design Store. And even though this is a simple machine to use, it comes with a great instruction manual. Let's get started. Once you've taken a few minutes to install the application for the Mint Studio, it will ask you for your registration information. It will also ask you for the serial number, which is located on the bottom of the Mint program. I connected my USB cord and my power supply to the wall and my computer, and I'm ready to get started. I have already downloaded the application for Mint Studio, and I'm going to create my stamp now. I'm going to change the size of my stamp. This is a 15 by 15. So I'm going to go up to this little cartridge shape up at the top here, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to select the size of the stamp cartridge that I'm going to use, which in this case is a 60 by 15. And then it's changed my shape of my stamp. I want to be able to create my name, so I'm going to drag in a file. I'm using a JPEG to be able to make my name on my stamp. And I'm going to resize it by clicking and dragging it. I'm going to move it into the stamp size template and make it as big as I can. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to my Mint to print. This is my 60 by 15 cartridge, and I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to feed it through my machine. Comes with your cartridge and some stickers so that you can mark your stamp at the end, and a lid for your stamp. It's easy to remember how you send your stamp to print by following the Mint icon that's at the top. So I'm going to click Send to Mint, and it's automatically going to mirror my image that I'm using so that when I stamp it, it will show up correctly, which makes it easier than having to do it yourself. I'm now going to turn the power on my Mint by clicking the power button on top. My computer now tells me that my Mint is ready. I'm going to follow the arrow on my cartridge and insert it by gently placing it into the back hole, and it's ready in place. I'm now going to click Start Mint. I don't know why this is so exciting. And there I have a mirrored image on my stamp. Now that my stamp is ready, I'm going to remove all the packaging by pulling down and taking off the cardstock. Now I have my stamp attached to my base, and I'm going to apply my ink. I'm using the little squeezy bottle, and I'm just going to draw over top of where my lettering is. These are self-inking stamps, and they stamp up to 50 stamps. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. After waiting, I'm going to remove any excess and do a few tester stamps. Looks great. I created a little cardstock tag, and I'm going to use my stamp to add some branding. As you can see, this is a simple, easy machine to use, and it can be utilized in many different applications. The possibilities for this machine are endless. We're super excited that we get to offer one of these machines as a giveaway for October. We gave away a Silhouette Cameo 3 in September. If you want to be able to win this machine, you need to watch our October 17th video and leave us a comment. You have to be a subscriber to our channel to win. When using this machine, you can use a photo of your very own, which you can import into the program. You can also design right in the studio space and create your own custom image. Regardless of if you use this for business or personal, I can think of so many fun ideas of ways to use stamps. Stamps can be used for crafting, stationery, card making, home decor, different things that you can do to personalize items around your home. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that we're working on a lot of content behind the scenes for our YouTube. Well, we also have a huge show coming up at the end of November. We're going to be showing you a lot of behind the scenes of us preparing and getting all of our items ready to take to that show. We're in a 4-day show, and this is the first time ever that we'll be in a show that's this large. We're very excited to take some brand new inventory. I'm adding some additional inventory items to my business, and I think you're gonna be excited about it. We're really excited to have so many YouTube family members that are part of our journey in getting ready for this big show. Knowing we have your support is awesome. Because this is a holiday show, we're going to be taking some holiday items. We're gonna show you all of that content and getting ready in our upcoming videos for the holidays. You wanna make sure you're subscribed to our channel and turn on that notification bell. That bell lets you know when our new videos go up so you don't miss any of our new content coming up. This mint was very refreshing. Let me know what you think of this machine down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next project.